Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually copy slides and how we can actually cut slides. Very important how we can actually do this stuff. Alright, so definitely we wanted to copy any one of these slides. Alright, if I click on this one, alright, I'm going to put something right here. So I wanted to copy and put this slide right up here. I can actually right click. You notice this is surface copy. If I put the cursor right here and I right click, you notice these are the paste option right here. Just like that, I can actually click. If you notice, it slide right up here, so the KK. Alright. What if I want to create a different presentation and I want to copy all of these slides to it? Right? First, I want to come up here to new. Right here, notice right here. You can new right here and click a blank presentation right here, right? So let me go back to the original one now, right? Which is this one. So if I want all of these slides here over to the next one, what I wanted to do, right, you notice I click on the first slide right here. And if I come all the way down here, so now I hold down the shift key and I click. You notice all of the slide highlight. So I'm going to right click and I click on copy. Now I'm going to go right to the next one that I just create. Now this is only have one slide. So if I put the cursor right here to the rest of the copy, notice these are some paste option and I click. You notice all of the slide actually copy right here. Just the same. And if I go back to the next presentation, you notice yeah, still there. So go back to the next one now. Yeah, so this is exactly how you copy and paste slides right in your presentation here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.